So a lot of interesting announcements came out of this festival, right? So first of all, there were 70 exhibitors at this festival. So first of all, I didn't even know there were 70 drone companies in India. But it was pretty interesting. So there's a lot of people who did come out to that. And one interesting picture that I found was of a made in India drone taxi prototype. So basically like this big drone taxi, and there were pictures of like politicians sitting in it. Pretty funny, not really realistic. I don't expect that to happen anytime soon. Now, what is important, right? I'll start with one of the less important things, but interesting. There's a company called Tech Eagle. They basically did a collaboration with the India Post to deliver mail through drones in Gujarat, right? In the Kutch region of Gujarat. And they traveled a distance of 46 kilometers in only half an hour. So this is pretty interesting. This is an application of drones that we've kind of spoken about before, but kind of not, is basically doing deliveries in rural areas. The kind of application in rural areas we've spoken about before has been that, getting medicines to rural areas, stuff like that. But this is another interesting application, just doing your day-to-day posts through drones.